Hi, in today's video we'll be covering 3 ways to work from home. If you're looking to make a full-time passive income, then click the first link in the description below. Let's get into the content. Number 1. A catering business. Catering is one profitable business that's easy to start from home, if you think your cooking and baking skills are good. With a little capital to get the necessary materials needed, you can work your way to making a good profit, enough to expand your business, as this is a lucrative venture. Considering the number of people that eat out on a daily basis, you can even start this business by supplying tasty and quality foods to offices and all other forms of businesses. You can even consider becoming a personal chef alongside your catering services by preparing homemade meals for clients. Number 2. Ebook author. If you target the right audience, packaging your skill, information and knowledge about your field of expertise into a downloadable ebook offers value to those who need it to learn that same skill. Growing their career or even starting a business is definitely a valuable and profitable side business. Besides, what better time to have your book published than now, when the world seems to be going digital? Number 3. Graphic design. Companies and even business owners constantly need the services of graphic designers to help convey information visually to the public via logos, advertisements, flyers, posters, websites, magazines, newsletters and letterheads. To start, all you need to do is to get to the computer and download any design application such as Photoshop, and be sure to follow the company's instructions and customers' need. Reach out to potential clients and let them know how your service can help them. Those were 3 ways you could work from home. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. We'll see you on the next video.